In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a menu to a section in your Wix website. This process is a great way to enhance the navigation experience for your site visitors, making it easy for them to jump directly to the content they're interested in. Let's dive in and make those sections easily accessible through your menu. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Wix account. Open your preferred browser and go to wix.com. Once there, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials and open the specific website you want to edit. If you're juggling multiple sites, ensure you select the right one where you're aiming to make these changes. Once you've accessed your website dashboard, the next step is to open the Wix Editor. From your dashboard, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this will whisk you straight into the Wix Editor. Here you have the full capability to manage the pages and various sections of your site. Now let's add some anchors to your sections. Scroll through your website within the editor to locate the section you want to link. On the left-hand side of your editor, you'll see an Add button with a plus sign. Click it, then choose Menu and Anchor, followed by selecting Anchor. You'll want to place this anchor right at the start of the section of interest, ensuring it's positioned exactly where you want visitors to land. Be sure to assign each anchor a unique name, something simple and descriptive, like About Us or Contact, as this will make the next steps much easier. Having added your anchors, the next focus is linking them to your menu items. Head over to your website's menu. You'll see an option labeled Manage Menu. Click on that and select the specific menu item you'd like to link to your newly created section anchor. Look for the link button and choose Anchor from the drop-down menu. A list will appear displaying all existing anchors. Simply select the one you're intending to link to and then click Done to finalize and save your choices. To ensure everything is working smoothly, it's time to test your linked menu item. Click on Preview in the Wix Editor. This allows you to interact with your site as if you were a visitor. Click the menu item you've just linked. You should see a smooth scrolling motion directing you straight to the linked section, an elegant and seamless navigation experience for your users. Finally, when you're satisfied with the functionality and appearance, it's time to make these changes live. Click Publish at the top right corner. This will update your website for all to see, linking menu items directly to their respective sections efficiently. Your site is now user-friendly and well optimized for easy navigation.